English version mathematics class 5 chapter 8 length measurement number 9. Mim walk 42 meter per minute and Mihir walk 80 centimeter per second. They both walk 3.6 kilometer per day. Then YA, how many minutes does Mini walk per day? And B, how many minutes does Mihir walk per day? We know that 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meters, 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter, and 60 second equal to 1 minute. Then walking 3.6 kilometer, it means 3.6 into 1000 equal to 3600 meters. Then Mim walks 42 meters per minute equal to 3600 divided by 42 meter per minute, 85.71 minute. And number B, how many minutes does Mihir walk? Then we know, as far I already mentioned, 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter and 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter, 60 second equal to 1 minute. Then he walked 3.6 kilometer equal 3600 meter. The Mihir walked 80 centimeter per second. 80 centimeter per second, then per second 60 second equal to 1 minute. Then 80 into 60. Okay. Then 480 centimeter per minute. Then 4800 centimeter divided by 100 equal to 48 meter per minute. Then Mihir walk 3600 divided by 48 equal to 75 minute.